What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kerr Outdoors. So on today's video, we're actually at the 2019 FishLake Perch Fishing Tournament. We've come the last 2 years, and both the other 2 years it's been canceled, so we're so excited. And as you can see, the weather is nice. Like, it's looking to be a great day of ice fishing. The tournament is from 8 to 2:30, so we're going to try and catch as many perch as we can between now and then. So, yeah. All right, well, I bet the fishing is going to be really good today, so make sure you guys stay tuned, watch the whole video, see if we get any. I sure hope we do. All right, guys, Dad just got the first fish of the trip. What is that? Looks like a lake trout.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one. It's probably about a 16-incher.
Yeah, for sure.
Man, gotta love it out here at the FishLake Perch Tournament. We got Mario over there. Ariana right there. I'm behind the camera and my dad's catching fish. Alright, Mari's on her first fish of the day.
Maybe.
Well, she had her first bite. Is it still there?
I don't know.
Huh?
It was like ice blocking.
You feel anything?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's on there. Oh, Mari. You doing good, Mar?
Oh my gosh.
Careful, careful. Are you okay?
No!
Okay, don't. You can let it take line, Good job.
All the way up. Swing it over.
All right.
Good, Mari.
Fish so far, both of them have been lake fish. They're right over here in the snow right now. I got this smaller one, and then I also got this bigger one right now. And I have 2 poles set up, and my hole back there, actually a fish got on my fishing pole, and it took my fishing pole all the way down because I didn't realize that I had one until I saw my fishing pole go down the water.
So you lost your pole in the ice.
So I lost my pole in the ice, so that's not super great. Then I caught fish to make up for it.
Nice. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
It's pretty cold, but it's super fun here out at FishLake.
Nice.
All right, guys. So, it's about the middle of the day. I'd say it's probably about noon. And I mean, so far, so good. We've caught, I think my dad caught 1 and Mari caught 2. I've had about 4 bites. And I also caught the world's smallest trout. Not even kidding. I caught a rainbow trout that was lucky to be 3 inches maybe on a little rat finky while I was trying to fish for perch. So, yeah, we're out here at the 2019 Perch Fishing Tournament down at FishLake. And we've come the last 2 years, and this is the first year it hasn't been canceled. So we were really looking forward to it. Fishing is a little bit slower than we would have hoped. We've only seen a couple people catch a few perch. Definitely different than other years where we were just like catching perch left and right. So yeah, all in all, it's going pretty good. Bought ourselves a little cheap fish finder off Amazon. Just to kind of try it out, and all in all, it's working pretty good. I'm able to see the depth and everything, and when fish are coming by and how big they are. So for $45, I think we scored. So yeah, all right. Well, I've got my 2 poles set up right here, just using some jigging tactics, just kind of repeatedly jigging and then just letting it sit, dead stick, and hoping something bites. So yeah, all right, stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch some more.
All right, Stan's got one.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Is it stuck? Careful. Get off.
It just came off.
Nuts.
Well, we're going to rebait it, send it back out.
Nice. Got it?
Dad caught another. All right.
Okay guys, so this is the splake that my dad just caught, and we've kind of got a weird thing going on right now. So, there's actually another line attached to the fish. There's another hook in its mouth, and the line goes into the water, and it's from ours, like it's from our setup, because we can tell from our equipment. And earlier today, my sister got a bite on a fish, and it just dragged the pole right into the water. And we're really hoping that the pole is down there. Here, we'll pull up the rest of this.
Oh my gosh.
This fish took Mari's pole underwater, swam around, wanted more, came back and got Dad's, and there you go. We got our pole back.
There you go.
That is crazy.
That is amazing.
Alrighty guys, so here is our haul so far. We've got 4 splake. I think the sizes were 15.5 inches, 16.5 inches, 14.5, and 11.5. So all pretty good sizes. The perch tournament is officially over. We unfortunately didn't even catch a perch during the tournament, which pretty much in the area where we're fishing, which is called Twin Peaks, I believe, pretty much no one caught a perch. I mean, there was one dude who caught 2 perch, and that was about it. So, we're going to head down to a different marina right now, just because, I mean, it's only 3:30, like, we've still got a couple hours of fishing light left, so we're going to go down to a different marina and try and catch some perch. And actually, so every year they do a raffle, and Ariana won the raffle this year. Yay. She won a ugly stick ice fishing pole and some other gear. So yeah, that was a blast. But yeah, so we're probably going to head down to the other marina way down there. So yeah, we're going to head down there and see if the perch fishing is any better down there. So yeah, all in all, these flakes are really good though. Nice and big. It's still so freaking crazy what happened with Mari's fishing pole and how we caught that fish again. That was unreal. Alright, well, we're going to reel our fishing poles up and head down to the other marina. So we'll see you guys down there. Alrighty, guys, so we made it down to the other marina. I actually just hooked into my first one of the day, my first perch, but unfortunately it got unhooked before I could reel it in. So, but I mean, that's a pretty good start. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch any fish. We're using a trusty fish finder, which has proven to be pretty useful so far. So yeah, it'll be good. We're just gonna kind of hunker down. I'm fishing with a couple wax worms, so that should be good. And yeah, we'll probably fish here until dark. It's about 4 o'clock right now. So yeah, hopefully we can catch some perch. Hooked into the first perch of the trip. It's not a very big one, but there you go. That's awesome. All right, well, I've hooked into 2 in about 3 minutes, so that's definitely a good start. I was just using a wax worm. Unfortunately, he's not a tagged perch, but still a great catch. And yeah. Alright, well, we're going to throw him to the side and keep going. Alright guys, sorry our camera ran out of battery. We had to come to the car to charge it. But all in all, we caught 2 perch. 2 of them. Yeah, my dad caught this one, a real giant of the group, as you can see. And then I caught this one, pretty average size. So yeah, so much for a perch tournament, but we caught a lot of splake, so that'll be good. We'll have a great Sunday dinner tomorrow, eating some splake, and I'm sure that'll be delicious. So yeah, all in all, it was a fun day. Wish we could have caught a little more perch, but there's always next year. So yeah. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you guys go down and subscribe. We try and make great content for you guys and post every single week. So if you guys want to see our future videos, make sure you go down and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get notified. And yeah.